Hello and welcome to the video tutorial on how to use the Bruins Homeroom webpage. This video is going to show you how to do all the stuff that the webpage does, like get the textbook online, check the plans, check your missing assignments, and everything. To get started, you're going to need your web browser. You can use Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Internet Explorer. However, I recommend you use either Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome. They tend to be more compatible with Google Sites, who runs our class website. I use Google Chrome. So let me make some general comments first before we get to the content in the video. I'll make two. The first general comment is that you may want to open two windows side by side so that you can view the video in one of them, and so that you can follow along with me in the other one. You would do that like this. Have one open, click the Start menu, open your web browser of choice again, and resize it so that they're right next to each other. Then you can easily click a video, and then in the other window you can navigate and do whatever I show in the video. I, however, am going to close this window because I'm not going to be using two web browsers. You might find that helpful though. The second general tip I'm going to make is use of this document here. I'm going to be referring back to it a whole lot. It's going to show what topic I'm on, so if you want to come back to this video and view just a certain part of it, you can wait until you see some of this text highlighted in yellow like this. That means I'm about to talk about whatever is in yellow. I'm about to talk about the topics in this video right now, which are, however, how to get onto the site, first directly and then through Gmail. So let's get to it. If you're viewing this video, you've probably already gone to the site through one of the methods, but I'll show them both so people can see how to do them and choose which they like better. So to get to the website directly, you go to your web browser and type in the address. It's sites.google.com/site/UCLA homeroom. Press enter. There it is. That is the first way. The second way how to get into the website is through your Gmail account. I actually recommend that you do it through your Gmail account because some of the functions of the website are available only if you're signed in, and going through your Gmail account allows you to stay signed in. So, to do that, you go back to your web browser and you go to gmail.com. This page may or may not come up. If it comes up, just sign in. If it doesn't, it may be blocked. To get around that, type mail.google.com, and it should work even if gmail.com is blocked. Sign in, and when you get to here, you're going to notice that there's a dashboard on top with different buttons. Click on More, and then it brings this drop-down menu. Click on Sites. If it's the first time you come here, you have to put your password in to get this. Then you'll see a page that looks a lot like this one. You may or may not see Bruins Homeroom like listed underneath my sites. If you don't see it, you need to send me an email to this address asking that I add the Bruins Homeroom to your My Sites list. After that, you will see it. All you need to do from there is click on Bruins Homeroom. It brings you to the site. So that's how to get in through your Gmail account. We're going to move into talking about the different parts of the web page now. I'm going to go through the different parts of the web page in the order they're listed here, starting with the home page. Okay, so the home page has a lot of useful things on it. First of all, you can click on Study Island without having to type it into your web address. You can click here to look at pictures that scroll through. You can go to the writing practice program if your teacher asks you to use it. And you can look at the main school calendar to find out everything that's going on at the school, including reading counts goals, what's going on for advisory, midterms, and so on. The most useful part of the homepage is this online textbook. Before clicking on it, notice the username and password is Stella Student, all one word. You'll need that after you click on it. Go ahead and click on the textbook and type in Stella Student for the username and Stella Student for the password. Then click on Return to Class Zone. Click on the rollerblading guy for the math book, and you'll get this dashboard. At the bottom of the dashboard is the online math book. I'll show you that in a second. There's also all this other useful stuff. Help with math allows you to get a tutor at home, hints for the homework, and other things that are very useful when you're trying to do your iWalk. Animated math shows you something similar to homework help, but it's all animated. There's things flying in, so it's more fun to use. Practice, practice, practice is a workbook online and a changing problem of the week. Quick reference is tables that show you how to go from feet to inches or pounds to kilograms and things like that. They also have this scientific calculator, which is really useful if you don't have a scientific calculator of your own. The games and activities section is games around the book, and the assessment will show you like what tests look like before they come up. If you want to see what they're like for a certain portion of the book, you can click on these. Here's the online math book. To access it, click either on the text or on the picture of the book. It brings up the book here. There's a page menu. If I want to go to a certain page, I just type it and press enter. For instance, if I want to go to page 87, I type 87, press enter. If I want to flip to the next page or go back, I can click those arrows. I can print it by clicking print. If I want to see accessible page, that'll bring up a PDF. And printing this looks much better than when you print it straight from the book. This will fill up the entire page and be the same size as what's in the textbook. If you press print from here, it doesn't look as good. So I'm going to close this, go back to the website, and this concludes the home page.